Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
So here's the key.
Okay. Okay, so the blade broke?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
My dad's in Mexico and he let me use his car, and of course it broke on me. So I was like, yeah. So.
Okay, I can pretty much like reshell the key and it's gonna work.
Perfect.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Alright, so the key is ready.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You wanna check it out?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's do it. Quidditch. The key looks.
Nice, thank you.
Perfect. Thank
Alright,
you
cool.
so much, and thanks for coming so
Yeah,
quickly.
you're welcome.
Alrighty,
Alright.
I'll give you a good review.
Yeah, sure. Have
Thank
a
you
nice
so
day.
much.